Good morning, Rob here. I wanted to talk to you about the layer I'm wearing. This is a sun hoodie. I'm using it as my base layer today. In fact, I use this as my base layer almost every single day, no matter how cold the trip is. I really like having one that's very thin and that has a nice loose hood that I can put up over my head, blocking my ears and the back of my neck from the sun. These sun hoodies have become really popular in mountaineering over the last few years. For me, they've almost entirely replaced any other type of base layer. When it's hot on the way down in the sun after a cold summit day, it's nice to be able to de-layer down to something as thin as this and make sure that you're not overheating as you move. It's also really nice not to have to worry about putting sunscreen on your ears or your neck as much. If you're gonna look for a sun hoodie, I recommend going as light as possible, as thin as possible, getting a nice loose fitting hood that fits under your helmet easily. And then don't worry so much about the UPF factor that they stick on the tags. The physical blocking of the fabric is really what's going to be doing the work for you.